Hello everybody and welcome to Sparkle English, my channel where I teach you how to improve your level of English and teach you English writing skills, speaking skills, grammar skills, and more. In today's video, I'm going to teach you the difference between this, that, these, and those. I'll teach you when and how to use these words correctly and how to pronounce these words as well. Let's get started. This, that, these, and those are called demonstratives. We use them to show the distance between the speaker and the noun. We use this, which is singular, and these, which is plural, to refer to someone or something that is here or near. For example, this is a yellow flower. Or you could say, this flower is yellow. In our next example, we have three different flowers which are close to the speaker. So we would say, these are yellow flowers, or these flowers are yellow. We use that, which is singular, and those, which is plural, to refer to someone or something that is there or far from the speaker. For example, that is a pink flower, or that flower is pink. In this next example, we have three different flowers, so we have to use those. Those are pink flowers. Those flowers are pink. So remember that we use this to talk about something, one thing, or one person that is here or near you or the speaker. For example, this flower. And if we have a single thing that is over there or further away, we use that. That flower over there. If there is more than one item, and those items are close to the speaker or close to you, we would use these flowers. And if there is more than one item or person, and we're talking about a group of things or a group of people that are further away, we use those flowers. Now let's discuss pronunciation. This is pronounced this. That is pronounced that. These is pronounced with a z sound at the end, these. And those is pronounced those with a z or z sound at the end as well. This, that, these, those. Now let's do some practice. Can you fill in the blank correctly for each of these sentences? Is my friend's cat. Is my dog. Remember to pay attention both to how many objects there are and how close it is to the speaker. In the first example, the cat is not close to the speaker, and there is only one cat. In the second example, we have a dog which is close to the speaker, and again, only one dog. The answer is that is my friend's cat, and this is my dog. We use that because it's one cat and it's far away from the speaker. And in the second example, we use this because it's close to the speaker, and again, it's only one dog. Let's practice again. Is my new van. Are bananas. In both of these examples, the object or objects are close to the speaker. In the first example, it's only one object. In the second example, there are three bananas. This is my new van. We use this because it's only one van and it's close to the speaker. These are bananas. We use these because there are 3 bananas, it is plural, and again, they are close to the speaker. Is Jeff's house. Are red apples. In both of these examples, the object or objects are further away. But in the first example, it's one house, and in the second example, there are 3 apples. That is Jeff's house. Those are red apples. Now it's time to practice writing your own sentences using these 2 pictures as a guide. In the first example, we have a ring close to the speaker. In the second example, we have 2 chicks or 2 birds far away from the speaker. Can you write 2 sentences in the comments section using either this, that, these, or those for these 2 sentences? Congratulations on finishing your next lesson with Sparkle English. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one so you can improve your level of English. Thanks for watching.